Hello, dear students. Welcome to the Technomath Learning. Today we are diving into an exciting topic from R.S. Agarwal's Class 12 Mathematics book from Exercise 5A on matrices. So, what is matrices? So, matrices are a fundamental concept in linear algebra and have numerous real world applications in computer science, physics, and engineering. So, we will go step by step through each question, breaking them down with clear explanation and solutions. Now, so stay with me till the end and let's master matrices together. So, let's get started, students. So, here it is question written, exercise 5a. Question number 1 is if matrices A have elements row wise 5 minus 2 6 1. Second row 7 0 8 minus 3 root 2 3 by 5 4 3. Then write question number 1 from Roman number 1 the number of rows in A. Second, the number of columns in A, the order of matrices A, and the number of entries in A. And fifth is the elements A23, A31, A14, A33, A22 of A. So let's get started. Here I am going to solve question number 1, Roman number 1. Okay. So what it is written in matrices A 5 minus 2, 6, 1, 7, 0, 8, minus 3, and root 2, 3 by 5, 4, 3. What you have to write? The number of rows in A. The number of rows in A. Clear? So what we have to write in this? The number of rows in A. So here it is visible that matrices A have following elements and the number of rows means since there are three horizontal lines of elements, first horizontal lines this one, second horizontal lines this one, and third horizontal line this one. So this horizontal lines means rows. So how many numbers of rows? First, second, and third. Here what we are representing three horizontal lines. So when we are counting rows, so first rows, second rows, and third rows. So what will be the solution of this question is the number of rows in A will be 3 rows. How many rows? 3 rows. If you want to write in theory pattern in your exam, so you can write the number of rows, the number of rows since there are how many horizontal lines? Since there are three horizontal lines, this called horizontal and that's called vertical. Vertical, vertical, vertical. So rows means horizontal. Always concentrate with this horizontal. Okay. So horizontal lines. Horizontal lines of element. The matrix has so the matrix has three rows. So that is the solution for Roman number 1. Thank you. Now next we will see the number of columns in A. Second number.